To understand the concept of change of basis, let us look into two simple examples. First one corresponding to where we are in the same vector space going from r square to r square, and second one we will look into where we identify a transformation in a way such that the dimension of vector gets changed. So let us consider that a phi is given by 2 1 1 2, and this is with respect to the standard basis 1 0 and 0 1. We want to calculate value of new transformation matrix given by a tilde with respect to basis represented by 1 1 1 minus 1. Now from our previous video we know that we can achieve this similar matrix by calculating B inverse, multiplying it with by A and then multiplying it with B, where B is the metric representation of the ordered basis. Now since this is a square matrix, calculation of inverse would be easier. That would be determinant of B, and since this is square matrix of size 2, we will interchange the diagonal elements and here sign will get changed, so it would become minus 1 minus 1, and B vector or determinant of B in this case would be 1 by minus 2, which implies B inverse can be written as 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now since this B inverse is known, we will plug this value of B inverse here. A is already known and we know the form of B, and once we do this simple calculation, our resultant A tilde phi should come out to be 3001, which is a diagonal transformation matrix. Now let us look into another example where we are having linear mapping defined by phi, and this is our example 2, where we are going from R3 to R4, and we know that in standard basis the transformation matrix is given by 1 2 0 minus 1 1 3 3 7 1 minus 1 2 4, and of course since this is R3 to R4, RB is represented by 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, whereas C is represented by 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. However, we are seeking a new transformation matrix A tilde with respect to our new basis B tilde, which is given by 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. On the other hand, C tilde is given by 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 0 0 1. Then we can say that our S in this case can be written as simple collection of all the non-standard bases, and hence 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 represented in the matrix form, and T is the non-standard basis of C to what we seek this transformation. Hence we can write this as 0 1 1 0 and 1 0 0 1. Now we learned that the mapping between A phi tilde and A can be obtained by pre-multiplying it with T inverse and post multiplying it with S. And now since it is a 4 cross 4 matrix, it may not be trivial to solve this just using pen and paper. So writing a simple Python script which is pasted in the description box, we calculate A phi tilde as -3.5 -1 minus 0.5, 6.5, 3, 1.5, 3.5, 5, 2.5, 1, 6, 3.